In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and access the Namecheap SSH Terminal through CPanel step by step. This is really useful if you want to run server commands directly from your browser without needing to install extra software right away. Whether you're managing files, checking logs, or working with command line tools, this can save you time and make server management much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting and WordPress tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are displayed, so click on that to continue. Now find the hosting account you want to work with. If you have more than one plan, make sure you choose the correct one. Next, click Go to CPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account, where you can manage your website settings, files, domains, and advanced tools. Inside CPanel, scroll down and look for the section called Exclusive for Namecheap Customers. This section contains special Namecheap specific tools, and one of them is the Shell Access option. Click Manage Shell to open the settings for SSH Access. On the Manage Shell page, you'll see an SSH Access toggle. Turn this on to enable SSH access for your hosting account. After you switch it on, give it a moment to apply the changes. Depending on your account and server settings, it may take a short time before the access becomes active, so just wait until the process is complete. Once SSH access has been enabled, go back to the CPanel homepage. From there, scroll down to the Advanced section. This section contains more powerful tools, including command line access. Click Terminal. If you see a warning message appear, don't worry, that's normal. Just read it carefully, then click I understand and want to proceed. This confirms that you want to open the browser-based terminal. After that, the terminal window will open right inside your browser. Now, you can enter your SSH commands directly from CPanel without leaving the page. At this point, you're ready to run command line tasks, navigate your server, manage files, and handle advanced hosting actions much faster. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and accessed the Namecheap SSH Terminal through CPanel. Once you know where to find it, the process is actually very straightforward. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful hosting tutorials, WordPress tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.